Hey logo designers, today I want to show you how you can use Logo Package Express to export a logo system that has more than one color scheme for the logo. This is a fairly common practice when a brand has many different brand colors. In this example, I have the standard logo, which is green and purple, but I also have some alternate logos that are all purple and all green. So I'm going to show you two methods for how you can set up a logo package that includes all these variations using Logo Package Express. Method number one is to simply run the extension multiple times. So I'm going to select the original standard artwork here and click Set Logo. And now, when this is done, I will click Make Web Logos. You could of course set the different components, but I'm going to do just the original artwork for ease of demonstration. Everything looks good, so I'm ready to export. I'm going to create the logo package, and I'm going to get a folder in here that's called Logo. And this is exactly what I would have expected. Now I need to go back and reset the extension by clicking the Reset button in the upper left corner of the extension. And I will say that I do want to begin a new package, and I don't need to save the information that's already here. Now I will go and make a selection of the all purple logo, click Set Logo. Before I make the logos, I'm going to go to the Naming tab in the Settings page, and I'm going to scroll down to the Logo field and type in Purple Logo. This is because I've already got a folder named Logo, and I want the purple logo to be exported into a new folder called Purple Logo. I'll make the web logos, and then the second thing I need to do is to delete all of the other variations that aren't the purple variation. I'm deleting these because we already exported them in the original logo artwork. Now I'll click Export Web Logos, and I get a new folder generated that's called Purple Logo that contains only the artwork for the purple logo. And lastly, I'll repeat this step one more time by resetting the extension, making a selection of the green logo, setting the logo, going to the Naming tab, changing purple to green, and making the logos. I will delete the redundant versions and click Export Web Logos. And now I'll get my third and final folder, which contains the green logos. This is the first method for exporting multiple logo colors from Logo Package Express. And I recommend using this method only if you have several different logo colors, maybe 4 or 5. I'm going to delete these folders now and show you a second, easier method for our particular example here. The second method for exporting logos that have multiple color variations is good if you have 3 or fewer different color options. What we're going to do is select the original artwork and press Set Logo. Now we're going to make our logo variations, and now we're going to sort of hack the artboards to make the export generate the logos that we want. So for this particular example, I don't really need a grayscale version, and I don't need an inverted version. So I'm going to delete those logos and replace them with our color options from the other document. So I'll grab the purple version, copy it, and I will come over to the grayscale artboard and use the shortcut Shift-Command-V on a Mac or Shift-Control-V on a PC to paste that artwork in place. And I'll do the same thing with the green logo. Now we have the proper artwork, but the names are all wrong. So let's go to the Naming tab on the Settings page and scroll down to the Color Schemes option. The grayscale is currently purple, so I'm going to call it Purple. The inverted is currently green, so I'm going to call it green. The reverse is white, so I'll call it white, and one color I'll call black. And now we're ready to export these logos based on their color schemes. So I'll press Export Web Logos. Now when this folder comes in, we're going to see logo, and then the subfolders are all going to be based on the colors that we've chosen. So if I open up everything, we'll see that the black logo is black, the full color logo is the full color, the green folder contains green logos, purple logos, and lastly our white logo. So those are both of the methods that you can use to export multiple color variations from Logo Package Express. Thanks for watching.